dishwasher is washing right now and there is no noise. So when it washes, the water flows fine through the dishwasher, through the swirling blades. That part of the cycle is fine. Now, as you can see here, you have to take this whole door off to get more access from the bottom. So start by taking these two screws last, and then just go around the whole dishwasher. You have to pull all these screws off. And then when you get them all off, you lift the stainless steel door up and away. And you have two different size screws like this. And these longer screws go here, 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 and here. As you can see here, the grinding noise when it drains is coming from this pump. So let's see if I take it off. I twisted it. Twisted it counterclockwise. Looks clear in there. Looks like something broke off. When I pulled that pump off, these are what I found in there. I believe they're pistachio shells that have been lodged in there, and they're pretty hard. So we have solved the problem.